Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Realme 7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to show touches in screen recording on this device. Alright, so to do this first we have to swipe from the top to the bottom like this, and now right here we have to find our screen recorder. As you can see, for me screen recorder is right here. Now we have to agree, and right here we have to click on this middle icon of the screen recorder. Here we have to click on the more settings, and right here at the bottom we have show screen touches option, and you can turn it on or off. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!